Good morning. The sun is coming up. It's still early, so I see some dark clouds moving this way, but maybe not. Maybe we'll be okay. It's supposed to be a sunny day. In a couple hours, the wind should die down. Everything is dependent on the weather, you know, especially when you have a dog. Although she's wanting to spend most of her time just indoors sleeping. I can't imagine having an active dog. You know, those workhorses that need to be entertained or walked or ran every day. I'm too old for that. I'm too old for that. It's so interesting how those flowers just close up when it's cool and shaded. And then when the sun comes out, they open up. They're like Roxy and I. When the sun comes out, we just open up. But the sun is coming out. The winds are starting to die down a little bit. I do see some clouds in the distance, but I think they're just gonna pass by. Gosh, everything is just so dependent on the weather. I mean, we can bundle up. I don't care if it's a little bit chilly. It's just the winds. The winds make it miserable. My eyes were hurting yesterday from just being out there a little bit and just stuff blowing into my eyes. But there is still a little bit of breeze, and the forecast shows that everything should die down by noon. She doesn't like to walk on the needles, the pine needles. Do you need me to carry you? Huh? You want me to carry you? Come on. Come on, Roxy. It's like she can't see me. Come on, baby. This is really bad timing. My backup camera stopped working. It's totally dark out there. Yeah, and look. The glove box light is working. So I know it's not the fuse, the main fuse, because that's connected to the radio. So I know that there's a fuse in here because I have changed it. It's like once a year I have to change this. So before I can drive any further, it's like horrible timing. I'm in the middle of the forest. Something freaks me out to the point where it's like, oh, I don't want to stay here. Anyways, I'm going to take this apart. Turn this light back on. And change this. Meanwhile, I hope Bigfoot doesn't catch up with me. I'm at the entrance of the main road, so I just pulled over. There's a huge puddle in front of me, and I thought, well, I'll just pull over here, and if anybody, you know, if a cop or anybody, ranger says anything, I'll tell them what's going on. What timing, though. Well, we're getting there. I took off this part. I had to look up my past video when I fixed it before to see exactly where the fuse is, because it could be anywhere in here, but it's behind this camera. So we're getting there. It's like right when I think I got it. I should probably get my blower and just clean this out. My duster. Let's do that. I could have done this in the morning, but I wouldn't have been able to sleep, not knowing if that's what it is. And I cannot drive without my backup camera. I mean, I depend on it. It's crazy how much I rely on this. Okay. I got my Miko. Turn it on. And then just put it, I'm just going to do like really low. It's a 10 fuse. I've got a 10. Okay, I need both hands because it's in here. Oh, thank God. Thank God, thank God, thank God. It was just a fuse. Because then I saw like this white thing unplugged and I was like, oh no, which one does it go to? Okay, let's... We are back in business. Camera. Yes. Can't see anything because it's pitch black out there. What is that thing? Oh no. What time is it? It's like 10:30. Now I can sleep well. I feel like whatever that was messing with my rig, I don't know if it was any animal. I don't know what it was. But it kept happening and I was just like, okay, I'm not going to be able to sleep if I can't figure out what this was. I tried everything. I turned on the lights outside. I turned off everything inside and just was really still and quiet. And it just kept on happening. And I was just like, yeah, either someone's messing with me. Or there's just some wildlife out there. But I thought, either way, I'm not going to sleep not knowing. So, yeah, I left. And then where are you? There you are. Oh, baby girl. Sorry to keep you up. It's all right. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. She's like, I'll go to sleep when you go to sleep. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. Guess that's where she's sleeping tonight. Make sure everything's locked.